Okay, go. I've got your buckets. Let's go quickly. Listen, we're full tonight, all right? So I'm going to leave you to get on the entrees, see how your money's been thrown in at the deep end, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, let's go, chop. Get these out of service, yeah? Wait! Julian, not my spicy crack!
What filling are you using? So what filling? Excuse me?
Higher!
Sorry?
You're going to have to say it, higher!
Oh, right,
What filling are you using? Prosciutto, butternut squash, truffle oil.
Oh, that sounds nice. Sorry,
I mean, that sounds good. Got that truffle oil now!
Big Sally had a laugh. Not me, Katie's got it. Katie! Can I help you with anything? Where the truffle oil is? You know, the garnishes.
Come on, let's go, yeah? More seasoning, please. Good work. Guys, has anyone seen my deboning knife?
Sorry, Chef, I haven't
No,
seen it anyway.
sorry,
Yeah,
Chef,
sorry, Chef.
familiarising myself with the lay. Are you taking the piss? No. Then what the fuck is wrong with your voice?
no.
You, my son, have got an attitude. You better buck your ideas up. You better buck 'em up sharpish. Yeah? Or you'll be out that door. Look at me. Capiche?
Sorry, Chef. What happened again, Chef?
Get out of my sight. Get back to work, all of you.